Hi, my name is Darren. I just have to give this testimonial because I just feel I owe this community so much because it's transforming my life. When I joined, I was a struggling affiliate marketer, okay, and I switched my business to digital marketing to be part of this community. And oh, I'm so glad I did because I made my full investment back within 10 days of starting. It's taking momentum. I'm making sales in my sleep. I'm making sales when I'm on a dog walk, on holiday. My automations are insane. I think I'm averaging around 1 in 16, and it's just blowing my mind. I'm so excited about what's to come, and I'm so glad I'm part of it. And being here in this space, in this community, having live and interactive mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners is just mind blowing and makes all the difference to your learning experience. Follow the successful people, and you can be one of them. If you're looking for an online business, you're in the right place, 110%.